Hi, my name is Tony Van Straten, and I'm a manufacturing manager in the Sheboygan Falls, Wisconsin site. As a manufacturing manager, I ensure that our department successfully manufactures the materials our customers use to make our lives better and more interconnected. In the facility that I'm responsible for, we manufacture the raw materials that are used to make semiconductors that go into the electronic devices that help us manage the large amount of information available to us in our worlds. The device that you're using to watch this video on has at least a handful of materials that came from our plant here in the Sheboygan Falls, Wisconsin site. In the facility that I'm responsible for, we specialize in chemical purification. Here you can see a white film evaporator being used to distill a product for our customer. Material is fed into the thin film evaporator through this addition funnel. The material enters the evaporator itself and hits a series of blades which causes it to be evenly distributed. As the material is distributed, a heated cylinder causes it to distill. The heavy material leaves this wiper body through the bottom and is called residue. The final product is collected on the condenser on the left and is orange in color in this case. My interest in science, and specifically chemistry, really took off in high school when I began to understand that chemistry and the materials made through chemical reactions were the building blocks for everything in our world. One of the questions that I'm commonly asked is how I ended up in the position that I'm currently in. My story is, I started on the Sheboygan Falls site as a chemist 15 years ago. I was just out of college and knew that there'd be a lot of opportunity for me in Sheboygan Falls. As a chemist, I developed many leadership skills which helped me move into a supervisory role. As a supervisor, I was responsible for leading a team of technicians and scientists to safely perform their day-to-day tasks while meeting our high standards of quality. In my supervisory role, I've worked in 3 of our large-scale manufacturing facilities, helping to manufacture materials that were used in research, medications, and now thin film deposition. It's been really exciting to see all of the different ways chemicals are manufactured at an industrial scale. Throughout my career, I've been given many opportunities to advance my learning and to succeed. Six Sigma and Lean training has played a large and important role in how I approach problems. Being able to work through my Green Belt and Black Belt certifications using the company-supplied training and resources has really helped me develop and hone this skill. All of the opportunities that I've been given and all of the great people I've worked with have helped me become a manufacturing manager. Thanks for watching and learning what a day in the life of a manufacturing manager looks like. If you have more questions for me, please leave them in the comments below and remember to stay curious.